So, it's 2025 and electric SUVs have moved from niche to mainstream. They're everywhere. No more choosing between eco-friendly tech and SUV practicality, now you get both. These new models combine clean, quick electric power with the space and versatility families need. They're not just good for an EV, they're great cars. Period, packed with smart design and surprising performance. In this video, we'll break down the top electric SUVs of 2025 from range and charging to tech and design. Whether you're a tech lover, a family, or just curious, this is your guide to the SUVs redefining clean, comfortable driving. Let's start with the benchmark, the 2025 Tesla Model Y. It's still the go-to for many buyers thanks to its winning formula. The Model Y delivers over 300 miles of real-world range, enough for almost any trip. The performance model? Blisteringly quick with acceleration that rivals sports cars. Inside you get Tesla's signature minimalist cabin, no clutter, just a huge touchscreen that controls everything. Love it or hate it, it's futuristic and intuitive for tech fans. The supercharger network remains a huge advantage. Fast, reliable charging almost anywhere. Tesla's autopilot and full self-driving beta offer some of the most advanced driver assist features, with regular over-the-air updates that keep improving your car. The flat floor and tall roofline make the cabin airy and spacious, with a panoramic glass roof and tons of cargo space. The front and rear cargo area add to its practicality. It's a family SUV with the heart of a sports car. While it may lack some traditional luxury touches, the Model Y's blend of range, performance, tech, and charging infrastructure is tough to beat. For many, it's still the electric SUV to measure all others against. If you want a practical, high-tech, and thrilling EV, the Model Y is a top contender. It's not just an electric car, it's a statement about where the industry is headed. The Model Y proves you don't have to compromise to go electric, it's the one to beat. If Tesla is about tech and speed, the BMW 9 is about luxury and